All right, got to play around in a backyard RC track, and dude's got an XRT too. Now that was cool. I'm not alone. I got to try out the Magmas. Those were that was an interesting deal at the quarry and at the dirt track. But I'm gonna play a little clip. I'm gonna add a couple clips to from that here. I vote the driver's stand go here. All right. $72 a set, dude. Yeah. It's like $140 for those. That's why I bought them straight out of the box, dude. Right. Like I've seen other guys playing with them, and I'm like, I watched probably 15 tire review videos before I even bought the fucking car. Yeah. Well, I could have got out.
yeah, it was pretty cool. I'm gonna help him keep working. I'm gonna help him work on that track because that's gonna be a cool place to actually let these things fly out. He's got an orange one. Of course, I got the blue. Um, his is all stock, and mine's mostly stock. I've got like diff cup braces, shock covers, and different tires and shit. So I got some other little blue pieces, but the body is shown its wear, and it's rough. This thing lands on its roof quite a bit. I hit the nose really hard a lot, it seems, and this thing spends quite a bit of time up on the wing. This thing was power wheeling out of corners today. This is doing exactly what I wanted it to do, so I am having a blast. Hopefully I can get a couple more guys with XRTs and we can all be out here running these things. And I'm thinking about trying to find, areas around Columbus to bash the cars on, because I like jumping shit and playing around, you know. But there's not too many places to play with your car, so I'm glad I found that dude on YouTube. Thanks, Sean, man. You're a good dude.